What is up, y'all? Happy New Year's to y'all. Hope y'all had a great and safe it really don't even matter, man. Today is January 3rd, but welcome to the new year. Try to be better in 2022. Briefly, because I'm about to jump into this whole car situation. Goal for this year, I'm trying to crack, realistically, 10, 15,000 subscribers, man. So if you're new and you're not subscribed, and you just come to kick it with me and watch the videos, yo, I appreciate it. I do appreciate it. But, yo, consider subscribing if you're new, man. Consider subscribing if you're new. Yo, to those that are subscribed, man, it's finna be some banging ass content pumping out this year. Oh my God, it's finna be crazy. Starting with this video that I'm about to get into, man. So, I'm gonna show you my car. My car is just sitting, bitch, dead as hell. I got the tools right here. I got the battery in the back seat right there. Thing dead as fuck, man. So, yeah. Let's get into that. Nothing. Oh shit, that locked. Damn. Well, we definitely got power. Let's see if it'll crank up.
Got him! Got him!
Let's try it again. It wants to start so bad. Well, didn't start, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch out these batteries. Really, I just had to get the trunk open to get to the battery, so yeah, let's do that real quick. Let's get this out. Okay, y'all, so you're looking at the battery, obviously. It's in the trunk. What you're gonna do is empty out your trunk, lift up on your little latch thing, the little tray, clip it. Next, so you're gonna need it's easier if you go with a 10 mil socket. A wrench really doesn't do anything, but you're gonna need a ratchet and a 10 mil socket. I think I had a 1/4 inch drive, maybe 3/8. I'm not too sure, but either way it go, you got 3 different bolts you got to take off. 2 are on the terminals and 1 is the actual, it's the hold down platform, if you want to call it that. Start with your negative. You're going to go for this one right here. Once that one is off, you're going to move to your positive. If you don't know What those are is cool. I'll drop a little clue right here for you, so you don't shock yourself or anything crazy. Once you got those two off, there's a little, the hold down pin, the hold down platform. That's also a 10 mil. You're going to take the ratchet and take that off as well. Take that completely out, set the bolt to the side, grab the little platform, set that to the side as well. Next, there's a little strap that keeps your battery from moving around. Just push down on a lever and it loosens up. And then from there, it's all self-explanatory. You're literally just going in reverse from when you took it out, if that makes sense. Come on, car. Don't fail me. Don't fail me. Don't fail me. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that was a super fast crank up. Super fast. Engine check light on because the battery died. Yep, cool. Cool. Let the bitch crunk up. So that lets me know I'm doing some shit right. You know what I'm saying? But let me get out and let y'all know how I sound, man.